For the loopy feathers, you're going to take your accent color and your finished wing, and you're going to attach it by using a little slip stitch going through that very end. And I'm going to pull through, and I'm going to leave kind of a long tail that'll help tie it off later. But using the yarn, I'm going to chain 7 times. Then I'm going to go, like I'm going to have this go through and over that tail, and I'm just going to slip stitch. So then I'll have one loop, and then I'm going to chain 7 times again. Then I'm going to attach by doing another slip stitch right next to where that was. I'm going to repeat this for a total of 5 loops. I just want to note that you don't have to worry about that tail. You can weave it in with the yarn needle later. Just one tiny extra step avoided. And then once you have your 5 loops, you're just going to trim the end, leaving a fairly long tail. And then I'm just going to use my yarn needle and weave it through, meeting that other tail from the beginning. You're just going to try to go under the loops created with the slip stitch to hide it a little bit. Once you meet that other tail, you're just going to tie a double knot. Then again, using your needle, you're just going to weave it back underneath again to hide the ends. Then just trim the ends so that they'll stay in there. And your loopy feathers are done.